Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we're talking cinematic shots. Here are 13 different styles of shot that you can use to improve your cinematography. Let's go. The first one is the establishing shot, and you've guessed it, the clue is in the name. It's about establishing what is going on and where you are. The second is the extreme long shot, and this is all about giving context to the character within the wider scene. You don't always have to show a character in an extreme long shot. It's just sometimes helpful to give a bit of context. The next is the long shot, or sometimes called the wide shot, and this really is incorporating the character but showing the scenery that is around them. The one thing you do need to be careful of is making sure that your character is not the dominant subject. It is more showing the scenery. The next is the full shot, and that is really to show the full length of the character but have them dominating the scene. Also, it can be helpful to kind of give an idea of what they are doing, what is their action, what is their purpose or their emotion in that specific scene. The next is the medium shot, and this is really about a natural view of how a viewer would see the character. It's to capture emotions and facial expressions, but to make sure that you've got from the waist up and it's not a close-up. This leads me into the next. This is the close-up, and this is to really capture facial expressions. The next is the extreme close-up, and for this it's about capturing partial parts of the face, could be the mouth, but really to accentuate and pull the viewer's eye into a specific thing that you're trying to portray. This leads into the eye shot, and this is really powerful if you are trying to portray an emotion of being lost or being extremely upset. The next is the high shot, and this is all about portraying a character's weakness or vulnerability in a situation. Similar to the high shot, the low shot is used to show a character's dominance or power. The next is the tilt shot, and this is really to show an instability in the psychology of the character in the scene. The next is the over-the-shoulder shot, and this is used in conversations to be able to capture somebody's emotions or reactions to what is being said by the character who you are shooting over the shoulder of. The last one is the point of view shot, and this is to bring you into the character's world so you can live it as they would. And that is 13 different cinematic shots that will help you improve your cinematography. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning. Sam,
Yeah.
you know that you've just filmed a bag and another bag with a coat on it and pretended it was a head and shoulders, right?
Yeah.
It's all right, Matt. We'll just wait for you.
Bam, 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 bam.